My name's Adrian from AutoGate. We make, install and repair electric gates for homes and for businesses. If you've been thinking about getting new electric gates fitted for your home or business, then give us a call. My name's Adrian and my number is 07855 781 433. If you've got a set of existing electric gates that are giving you problems, maybe you need to get them open to get out to work, or you need to get the kids to school, feel free to give us a call. It doesn't matter who installed them, doesn't matter what type of electric gates, maybe we can help you over the phone. Again, electric gate repairs, my name's Adrian and the number is 07855 781 433. And lastly, if you've got a set of existing gates that you'd like to have automated, or maybe you've already had gate automation and maybe it's causing some problems and you want to upgrade it, if you want to automate existing gates or upgrade existing gates, give us a call. Again, my name is Adrian and the number is 07855 781 433. Thanks for watching, and give us a call if you just need a piece of friendly advice, want to talk about some ideas about your gates, or if you're in trouble and you need help, give us a call. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.